Welcome to Addis Ababa, the capital of Ethiopia.
Good morning. What's your name? What's your name?
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah!
Very good name. We'll not forget that.
Addis is one of the fast developing capital city which is situated in the highlands of Ethiopia. If you are here, don't miss this place, Ethiopian National Museum. In here, you will see the remains of our oldest ancestors who roamed around the world, Lucy and Ardi. Lucy is 3.2 million year old hominid who walked around the Lowash Valley of Ethiopia. Lucy was like us and she walked in 2 feet. These are the remains of Lucy, which was found during an archaeological survey. She possibly would have looked like this. These are the remains of Ardi, who is 4.5 million years old, who also roamed in the same area where Lucy roamed, the lower Awash Valley. Lucy and Ardi are not the only archaic human found in the world. There are a lot other found in other parts of the world as well. Especially in Ethiopia, there are few other bones which was displayed here. A few stone tools they used being displayed here as well. These are the few examples of stone tools and bony evidences found in Ethiopia. According to all the research which exists for the time being, Ethiopia is our homeland. That means the human beings started around 3 to 5 million years ago in Ethiopia and they moved around the world. Now we are in the capital city of Ethiopia where all this happened long time ago. Maybe it was not the capital by then, but we're going to explore the big Ethiopian capital, walk around, drive around and see what is amazing, how it works here and how all these cultures clash and exist together. That is Addis, marvelous city.
This is the airport road. This is the local public transport.
Yeah.
To certain places. It's all white and blue vans. So do you see a big development in Addis last 5-10 years?
Yeah, last 15 years.
There's an obelisk here. There's a new one.
Yeah, it's new one. Like,
Addis Ababa is going to be African capital, right?
for the future.
Yeah. Going on an overhead bridge.
If you are going to the other side,
That guy is selling banana. Oh wow. Look at that. Beetle. I used to have a car like this.
Volkswagen.
Yeah, Volkswagen. Braking.
They brought a new version of Beetle also
Yeah.
about 10 years ago, but
That didn't have a big success. People liked Beetle for noise, engine on the back and all those things, right?
No, it's a church.
Church.
Today is Monday, so even Monday we have
Ladies walking, umbrella.
This is a roadside market. They sell everything and anything here. Foodstuff, clothing, grass.
Can I
smelly
smell it? Is that
seeds,
okay?
Smelly flowers,
Can I smell
everything
this
you want.
So which one smells?
This one. And the last one. Not a
Oh my god, so nice. How much is this one? Like, if you want to buy this?
Santrat.
That smells so nice.
Tanishi. Quadrat. Timber. Okay.
How much is that?
10, bro.
10.
10. You have 10?
10. So this one you don't need it. That's normal grass. What is that?
Okay, this is just Ariti Gaza.
Oh, this also smells. Is this same
Yes,
thing?
herbis. So it smells.
This one?
Yeah? This is just for decoration and it's to smell the houses. Oh, yeah, that's super near it. Don't touch it.
How much is a papaya?
Papaya is in the road. Papaya is in the road.
You're asking or not? This is a restaurant? Shall we try something like yesterday?
If you see grass spread around and it's leading to a building, that is a restaurant. So just follow and don't miss out. This is a fantastic steak you will ever have.
So this is the Ethiopian alphabet. It has 7 columns and 63 rows. So each words have different sound. For example, the
How
first
many words? How many letters do you have?
7 in column and 33. So this one on the left side.
Oh, different columns. 3 columns, 1 column,
Yeah, and the
another
center
column.
is written guess. That one is addition. So the other 1, 2, 3. That's above it. The Ethiopian guess
Yeah.
counting. Number 1, number 2.
Oh yes, that's the bread. Injera. Injera. And that one? Another injera. Oh, that is your chickpeas boiling.
Shiro.
Ah, here we go. How you eat it?
It comes with the fire.
How to eat it?
Fire.
Just like this?
No, with your hands.
No, no. Starting with this?
I can even text them noise.
Yes, sir, like this.
Guys, hear this crunchy noise. This is fresh meat. Just came out.
One more.
Yeah, still cooked. And you take this injera. How do you call this sauce? The curry? This one? Awazi. Awazi. This is called awazi. What is it made out of? Chilies?
Chilies, mustard.
Mustard?
Yeah.
That's it. Spices. This is our second day meal. Here we go. Okay, that. How is the food?
Good. Chili.
Chili.
Oh.
How is your food?
Yeah, it's fantastic. Good.
Okay, let's name them. What is your food called?
It's tips in Amharic. Tips.
Tips.
Yeah.
Tips.
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 Tips. Yeah.
That food is called tips.
This one?
And this one?
Shuro.
Shuro.
Shuro. Yeah. It's
This is called shuro. And what is this called?
It's also tips, but shakla tips.
Shakla tups.
Because it comes with the clay pot and fire.
Because it comes with clay pot and fire, it's called shakla tups.
It's a new road.
They are building this road, isn't it?
No,
It's going to be,
pedestrian area.
yeah, it's going to be like a beautiful road in a few years' time.
So this is Addis Ababa, the capital city of Ethiopia in a nutshell. It's a capital which is developing very fast and the people very traditional and coping up with these new developments and is always going forward. And Ethiopia has did always. Human beings started here and they moved forward. They changed colors, they changed shapes, but still when you come back to this land, you sometimes feel that you're coming back to your homeland. That is Ethiopia.
Overground, isn't it? Train. Air conditioned.
Yeah.
This is something like their metro system. This is like an overhead train. They have in Singapore, right?
It will all be changed when I come next time, but I still love this place. I'll come back one day. Goodbye.